Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to you all to our channel CM on Bike, and this is Chanakya Sai. How are you all? I hope everyone is good by God grace. Everyone should be good and healthy, safe. I pray God that only. So, friends, today topic is that I want to demonstrate one emergency technique when your vehicle is got stuck anywhere in the forest or in the roads, nowhere, no person is there to help you. Then you should not panic, friends. I will say that technique what you have to do if the vehicle got stuck in the middle of something. There is no man, nothing is there, no one there to help. So let us go and start the video. But before going to video, just I am requesting you to please subscribe to my channel so that I will get more encouragement. I will do such videos so that it will be helpful in emergency techniques. So friends, be stay tuned. So friends, coming to the point, what are the things you need to do when your brakes vehicle got breakdown? First thing is that you should not panic, friends. Nothing will be happen in this big world. So many of the people are there with you. If I am saying to main female persons who are seeing this video, ladies, they are like my sisters. I am saying that don't afraid. First of all, don't afraid. If you got afraid, nothing will be happen. You be brave. I will say the techniques you can also do. It is very easy. So friends, पहले firstly you need to check the petrol, friends. Petrol, you may think, I have petrol, no problem, it is there, nothing to see बोल के नहीं नहीं नहीं, you should remove that cap and you should see that. Because why I am saying this, because if you, even though it is petrol is there in the tank, there is a air formation in the tank, so that the air pressure will not allow the petrol to go inside the combustion chamber, so that the vehicle will get stopped. So if you remove that cap, what happens is the air will come outside. If the air is come outside, then petrol is free to flow. So that is one technique. You do that and try start, then maximum it will be happen. In some cases it is successful. No, it is not successful. Array, what to do now? Array, petrol is there, gaadi is not starting. Don't panic, friends. This is just first point. I am saying second point. Friends, definitely you should learn how to remove the spark plug of your vehicle. It is most important, friends. You go to the mechanic shop and ask them where is, if someone don't know where is spark plug. Normally for bikes it will be there outside only, so that you can remove that. If the spark plug for scooters, the spark plug is located inside somewhere, you just learn that. You ask mechanics, they will say. For especially for ladies I am saying, because they drive the Activa something. So you learn that and you just remove that. It is very easy. There is a wire and you remove that and see that. You just clean that with a cloth and just keep again and you make it dry, because there are some dust particles stuck in the spark plug, so that the spark will not go inside. So that is the thing. You just keep that and you make a start. Definitely 90% it will get start, friends. No, it didn't work out, what have to do now? Again panic. No panic. Just first technique is petrol, second technique is this one. What is the third technique, friends? Important thing. So many of you don't know this. You should know where is the fuse box of the machine. Definitely every bike has a fuse box, friends. Whether it may be TVS XL, anything, you have a fuse box. Why the fuse box is there means, if for example, if an power fluctuations is arises at the, normally we have in the home, so that circuit breakers, you see that there is a meter board, and in that some circuit breakers, MCB we will call. So that is the thing, same, friends. Here if we got more fluctuation, then in home it will trip. So in the same way the fuse will be blown here. It may be any reason. For example, petrol is running there, some example, the high power generated in the machine somewhere, or some earthing problem is there arises, then it will blow off. So just you should know where is this fuse box and go and remove that, and you check all the fuses. definitely it will be a problem. So just you there is a spare fuse also, friends. In that, normally the company will people will give every spare fuse which is there in the fuse box only. Just remove that and you see the amperes in the old one, and just replace that and you make start. Definitely 100% it will start. No, it is also not starting. Try once again. You try once this process, then you try, definitely it will start. No, it is not starting, then you approach the mechanic. This is the main 3 points, friends. Just 3 points, definitely your vehicle will start. Because I faced personally that issue. No one is there to help me in the on that day. I just used my common sense. What are the things which run the vehicle, so that I checked the petrol, it is there, not starting. Ignition on off, on off, on off 2 3 times, not owning. Then I checked what is this spark plug, it is also fine, not starting. So I checked the fuse box fence, fuse is blown. Array, because in on that day there is huge rains, friends, and traffic jam. I stay in Hyderabad. I don't know what to do in that because the vehicle is very huge. We cannot. Mine is bullet, and that is heavyweight machine. We cannot take to somewhere where we have to keep. It is night time. So what? No, nothing. No shop is there beside. Everything is closed because of the heavy rain. So I checked the nothing is there. That fuse is not there. Spare fuse. What have to do? By God grace, I found a temple beside and asked that security guy, "Arey, please give me a small piece of wire." He gave me small piece of this much wire, and so that I took that copper wires from that, and I just tagged this to the old fuse, and I kept again, and I tried. Then it started, friends. Thank God, I thought that thank God the vehicle will get started. And then I went to the home, and next day I took the spare fuses, friends. Not three to four spare fuses I took, and I kept in the fuse box. So on that day, if I didn't use my common sense, I don't know what will happen, because I need to leave my bike there on. Because if I call RSA also in that heavy rains, I think no one will help. So it helped me. My common sense helped me. So I am trying this to communicate with you, because especially ladies should learn how to face these issues in the emergency. You can learn easily, you can try to learn, you learn, because you are driving flights only. Why you cannot do this? After all, a small thing, you are going to the space. Why you can't do this? You can do this, you will do this. So brothers and sisters, those who are watching this, please do it yourself. So you be safe and try. If this is not possible, then you call mechanic, no problem, but you try this. That's it, friends. I am signing off. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like my channel, so that I will get encouraged, and I will deliver like these videos, these topics, such kind of topics to you. Okay, friends, signing off.